This video will review how to self-register. If you have any holds preventing registration, please reach out to your advisor at 575-624-7294. To begin, log into your CosmoLink. On your home menu, you will scroll down and click Add Drop Class. Next, you will select Register for Classes. Then select the term you would like to register for. Here, you can look up your classes by subject and course number, and this will bring up all available classes for the semester. After reviewing the schedule and modality, you can add the class by selecting Add, and this will list the class under your summary. Another option for selecting classes will be to enter the CRNs. Select Enter CRNs and list the class's 5-digit code here. Once you have entered all of your CRNs, select Add to Summary. After reviewing for time conflicts, you can submit, and now you are registered.